What's up YouTube, Jeff back again, and today another very exciting Samsung video for you guys. Today we have an update to one of Samsung's best applications that adds an all new feature that could potentially make your day-to-day routines and other things that you do with your Samsung Galaxy phone a lot easier. If you guys are wondering, over here I got my new friend, the Brachiosaurus, my 2-year-old son Jonathan. He gave this to me to take to work, so I figured I'd feature it in a video for him. And today we're going to get into that. I also want to remind you guys that I do have pre-orders open for the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, Galaxy Watch 6 mystery boxes. The link will be in the description, the pinned comment. Basically, if you order any of those devices right there from Samsung at the July or August Unpacked event, whenever it takes place, I'm going to send you out a free case, a free cleaning kit, a free smartphone stand, also a bunch of other randomly assorted goodies. All you got to do is use my Samsung link when you make your purchase, and then send in your proof of purchase. All the instructions are there. Sign up at the link below and get in on that. I'm really happy to bring back the mystery box program, as it's been very, very successful. So let's talk about this application update. The update is an app that I've talked about quite a bit in this particular channel, and that is Registar. I meant not to open the app there. I was actually trying to go and show you guys the update in the Galaxy Store itself. So let me go ahead and go into the store. Here's the update version number. It's 1.0.39, May 11, 2023, 30.88 megabytes. And right up here, you can see the new features inside the new version. Provides back tap action feature as a modes and routine action. And of course, as always, we have some bugs fixed. That's pretty much standard with any Samsung application update that we have. So what is this new feature? Well, first of all, it's actually not located within the Registar app itself. If you open up Registar and you start looking for this new feature, you're not going to find it in the app because it's actually something that's been embedded in the modes and routines in the settings on your phone. Now, you do want to make sure that inside the Registar app, though, that you have the back tap action enabled. And what back tap action allows you to do is tap the back of your phone and then trigger an action. Like you can see, I have double tap to set up to do my Google Assistant. Let me see if I can do it behind the camera. There you go, double tap, and then it brings up my Google Assistant. You can also change the sensitivity of that setting right there at the bottom. I've talked about that in a couple videos. Sorry for the camera not focusing there for a second. You can change the sensitivity. You can also do some gates so that it doesn't enable when you have power saving mode on, when you have low battery, and of course it doesn't enable when you have the device locked. There's also a triple tap option, which you could have. So if you want to do something separate, you could enable the triple tap. You could do Assistant, pop-up window, open a specific app, show recent apps, back button, anything you want to do. It's pretty much infinitely customizable. Now, once you have that set up inside the app, what you're going to do is go back over here, go into the settings, and then once you go into the settings, you're going to find modes and routines, which I conveniently scrolled by, and you're going to set up either a mode or a routine. I'll kind of show you both. If you want to set up a routine, it's very simple to do so. Just at the top, you hit the plus button, and then you're going to choose an if trigger, right? So in here, you'll see there's a lot of different actions, things that you can do for your if trigger, lots of different possibilities. One of them, that's a very simple one, is you could say that when the Wi-Fi is off, what I want to do, this is just a weird, kind of a weird one, go down to the then routines, and then you're going to go in here and find apps. Right below that, you're going to see Good Lock. If you tap on Good Lock, you now have the action back tap action. So if this is, again, you have to have back taps enabled, obviously, but what you'll do is tap on this, and then it'll turn your back tap action either on or off when your Wi-Fi turns off. So if you don't want back tap actions on when your Wi-Fi is off, maybe for battery saving purposes, for instance, you could go ahead and turn this off whenever you have your Wi-Fi off, and you could save that routine, and then of course you have the ability to give it an icon, you can change the color of it, all that kind of stuff. And basically when I turn the Wi-Fi off now, if I go up here, turn my Wi-Fi off, give it a second to kind of adjust itself. If I do my double tap on the back, there is no Google Assistant triggered by the back tap action. So that's pretty cool. The other way you could do it is if you want to set up a mode. This is a little longer, a little more complicated, so I don't know if I'll do a full one. But I have one set up for work, for instance. You can actually go in here, and once you have a mode set up, you can change some of the settings. And down here, you can add an action, and then go into Good Lock again. And then one thing you could do is, for instance, when you're at work, maybe you use the back tap action all the time, but when you're at home, whatever back tap action you have set, you don't use. So you could go in here and you could either turn it on or off based on when you're at work or not. Now, I would probably use my back tap action a lot when I'm at work because obviously I end up using search for a lot of research for my YouTube channel, Google Assistant. But if you wanted to turn it off, you could do that as well. So I personally think it's a really cool feature. I mean, obviously, it's not like a massive, colossal feature that's going to change your life, but Samsung continues to make quality of life improvements for those of you who use Good Lock. And there's a big fan base out there, obviously, because you guys watch my videos every day, and I make a ton of videos about Good Lock. If you want to learn more about Good Lock applications, subscribe to the channel, please. Check it out. Again, you guys are going to be pre-ordering any of the devices from the Unpacked event this summer. Check out the link in the description, the pinned comment, to get a free mystery box from me. Shipping is free. Everything is free. Check out the link below to sign up. Appreciate you guys checking out the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.